Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing a little haul from B&M. If you like my jumper, thanks. It's from Stradivarius. It has food on it. So at the weekend I took a trip to B&M to pick up some essentials, but obviously because it's B&M I came away with about 75% of the shop. But that's the B&M curse. My little haul today consists of mostly food and cleaning products. So I think I'm going to start with the food, and the first thing is microwave rice. Now when these are on offer at the supermarket, I can tend to get these for about £1 a pack, whereas from B&M 3 of these were £2.49. so whenever I see them at B&M I tend to stock up because they are more often than not cheaper than the supermarket. Now these are in the spicy Mexican flavour, but I'm sure they had other flavours as well, so if you're in B&M, these multi-packs are a good bargain. Next, I got some tuna, because again, at B&M, this is much cheaper than at any supermarket that I've seen. I've got 4 tins here for £3 from B&M. Next up, I picked up some Fry Light. Now this is the golden sunflower oil Fry Light. I think I have the coconut oil and the butter as well, so those two are good for baking as well as cooking, but I realised I didn't have the sunflower oil one, so I picked this up as well, and this was £1.49. Next up, because I am a massive child, I picked up some unicorn chocolate milkshake mix. I don't actually know what makes this unicorn chocolate mix. I can't actually see inside it, but I just thought it looked so cute and it was only £1.49, and I think I'm gonna try it with some dairy alternatives. I've got some oat milk, so I'm gonna try it with that and see what it's like. But I just can't wait any longer. I need to look at what it actually looks like inside. So that just looks like plain chocolate powder to me. I'll have to put an Instagram story up of me actually mixing this with some milk. I'm hoping that it doesn't just look like normal chocolate milk, because that's false advertising. Now of course I picked up 2 of these. Now this is my absolute favourite coffee. It's the Nescafe Zero Americano, and this was $2.99 at B&M, so I picked myself up 2 because lately it's been completely selling out in supermarkets, and when it came back into stock the other day it was something like £5.50 for a tin this size. So when I spotted it at B&M I thought, I'm having 2 of those. I've recently discovered that B&M sells one of my favourite childhood snacks, and it is these. Now these are like little chocolate cakes, and I used to have one of these in more or less every lunchtime when I was a kid at school, and they were only £1. So, but I mean, I saw them, I grabbed them, I ran, I paid, then I ran. So these are obviously not amazing for my diet, but the way this year is going, I don't really care right now. So they are 152 calories and 7.7 grams of fat per cake, which isn't too bad. I mean, it's like, isn't it something like 110 calories for a banana? Now the last bits of food. I'm like a 5-year-old in an adult woman's body. So I got myself some blackjacks for 89p, and these must be horrendous for your teeth. But I know I'm just going to buy them anyway, and for God knows how many packets of these. They're basically like gumballs, but it was $1.99 for like 4 packets of gumballs, and I have no idea what these other things are, but if my dentist is watching, I promise to brush my teeth after every single gumball. So that's it for food, and before I move on to the cleaning products, I picked up 2 of the Imperial Leather Moonlit Skies and White Cashmere Calming Bath Soak. Now I love having baths, but recently I've noticed that, now I don't know whether it was the bubble bath I was using before or whether it was that the bath water was too hot, I don't know, but my skin recently has become really like unbearably dry. So I've been on the hunt for something really moisturizing, and since I've started using this, my skin has completely changed. I mean, it doesn't even say on it that it's moisturizing, it just says that it's designed to help you unwind, and it just smells so nice. It's not like every other calming bubble bath that smells like lavender and chamomile. don't know how to describe the smell. Just buy it. It's £1. I got 2. Moving on to the cleaning stuff now, and the first thing I got, we have a dishwasher. So any of you that have a dishwasher, you know the struggle with the cost of dishwasher tablets. A pack of Finish Powerball Quantum 72 tabs was £9.49 from B&M. This is probably like £20 in a supermarket or something ridiculous. Like it just makes me think, like, if B&M can sell it for that cheap, why doesn't everywhere else? That should last us about 3 months. So, and I love the lemon scented dishwasher tablets as well. I picked these up right at the beginning of my B&M shop, and my god, they are heavy. Like, my arms still hurt from this haul 2 days ago. So to go with the dishwasher tablets, I picked up some dishwasher cleaner. This is Crystal dishwasher cleaner. It was 89p. It's a brand I've never heard of before. So basically, I think you take the cap off and just put it in your dishwasher upside down and run an empty cycle, and it's meant to give your dishwasher a really good clean. So we'll see how that works. Next up, I just picked up some rubber gloves. Now these were £2, and these are apparently ultimate household gloves. Ideal for protecting hands from harsh cleaning chemicals and detergents. They are durable and they have a flock lining. So they're actually really like soft and fluffy on the inside. Never seen that before. Why did I smell them? They smell like a cross between a Lilo and my nan's bathroom. So yeah, I got mine in pink because I'm just used to marigold pink, but they did have them in purple as well, if you are that way inclined. Next, I picked up a refill for my Febreze 3volution. Now this is a limited edition scent, apparently, in the scent Crystal Ice. So no idea what it smells like, but the plug-in that I've got at the moment is the spiced apple, so one of the Christmas ranges, and I think that's coming to an end. It's the first time I've used it, and I've got absolutely no idea how you know that it's finished, but it doesn't smell as strong as it did when it first went in, so I'm guessing it's nearing the end of its life. So hopefully I'll be able to use these soon, because I'm really excited to see how they smell. I mean, Crystal Ice. What does Crystal Ice smell like? And this was £2.99. Next, I picked up a empty spray bottle. Now this was £1, and the idea for this is that I'm going to dilute my Zoflora in this. And it's quite a big bottle. It holds 900ml, and it was £1, and it's got all your measurements on the back. Welcome home. So next is an item that I'm sure most of you have heard of and use and swear by, but I've never used it, believe it or not. And I just keep seeing TikTok after TikTok of people using this, and it looks amazing. So I didn't just pick up one, I picked up a multi-pack of the pink stuff. So in this you get 2 tubs of the cleaning paste, but you also get a scourer and a microfiber cloth. And this was only £3.49, which I thought was quite good value for money. So I'm looking forward to attacking my cooker with this. So that's it for today's haul. Everything came to about £40, so I think it would have probably been quite a bit more in a normal supermarket. So definitely check out B&M. It is open during lockdown here in England, so definitely get down there and save yourself some coin. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!